Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mince pie cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your room temperature butter. As you can tell, I boiled mine in the microwave as it was a cold day on this day. Then add in your granulated sugar followed by the light brown sugar. Then give everything a good mix until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Okay, you're not looking for it to be like a cake batter, but well combined would be best. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the egg and just mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You'll also want to add in your vanilla at this stage, as this will really help boost the flavour of the spices and the fruit later on. Just mix those in until they are fully incorporated, then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to get the top and the bottom of the bowl. But when you do it with a hand mixer, I feel like it incorporates better than it does in a stand mixer, but that's just my own observation, so feel free to do what you like. Then go ahead and add in your flour, raisin agent, salt and spices, and not forgetting to add in the fruit as well. Then just fold everything in until you have a cookie dough form, and when you do it by hand, I feel like you've got a bit more control than if you do it with a stand or a hand mixer. So you can do it with those if you want, but I find doing it by hand works really well. Take scoops of the cookie dough and round them off in between your hands, and then flatten slightly and place onto a baking tray. Repeat the process until you have a tray full, so you should get 5. Then roll the tops of each cookie into some flaked almonds. Feel free to toast them beforehand, but you don't need to, as I find that they'll burn when they're in the oven. But then once you have a tray, place them into the preheated oven and bake them off. Fresh from the oven, you can finish your cookies off, and I like to place a whole mince pie on top of each, pressing down just to really lock it into the cookie, and this will spread the cookie a little more, so just keep that in mind. But this is one of the easiest recipes that I've made, and it was really effective. People really enjoy these cookies, so keep that in mind, and make sure that you make them for your friends and family this year. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.